Have you ever wondered why some products work perfectly in CAD, but fail the moment someone tries to manufacture them? It happens every day, and it's rarely because the idea was bad. It's because the engineering wasn't. Here's what many founders don't realize. A CAD model isn't a product. Anyone can draw parts. Anyone can assemble a 3D model. Great mechanical design is something very different. It's engineering. It's problem solving. It's making thousands of small decisions that determine whether your product succeeds or struggles. Every wall thickness matters. Every screw, every snap fit, every tolerance, every material, every rib, every draft angle, every design decision affects something. Manufacturing, assembly, reliability, performance, cost. Miss just one, and it can cost thousands later. That's why we don't just design products, we engineer them. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior mechanical engineers work alongside our industrial designers, electronics engineers, firmware developers, and manufacturing experts. Because every discipline affects the others. The earlier those conversations happen, the fewer surprises happen later. This is where many teams make a costly mistake. They optimize for the prototype instead of production. A prototype only needs to work once. A manufactured product has to work thousands of times, sometimes millions. That's a completely different design challenge. Here's another surprise. Better engineering often costs less, not more. We combine parts. We simplify assemblies. We remove unnecessary complexity. We reduce machining. We improve molding. We select smarter materials. Every improvement has one goal: a better product at a lower total cost. We recently reviewed a product that looked complete. Everything fit together. Everything looked right. But after our engineering review, we found opportunities to reduce part count, simplify assembly, increase strength, lower manufacturing costs, and improve long-term reliability. The product still did exactly what it was supposed to do. It was simply engineered smarter. That's the value of experience. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior engineers have developed thousands of products across consumer, medical, industrial, commercial, and connected devices. We know where problems hide. More importantly, we know how to eliminate them before they become expensive. Because great engineering isn't about making a product work. It's about making it work reliably, manufacture efficiently, scale confidently, and deliver long-term value. If you're serious about bringing your product to market, don't let CAD fool you into thinking the engineering is finished. That's where the real work begins. Schedule a free strategy session. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.